What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. So what I'm gonna be doing today is my camera's down, of course. I'm gonna be installing the top on the s2000. I finally got the new one. Hopefully everything goes out smoothly. Jimmy's here. Hopefully everything goes out smoothly. I'm gonna be cutting this off. And hopefully I can get it done today with no issues whatsoever. But we'll see how it goes. You never know. You know it's never the case. You always got to run into something. But let's get to it.
It's official. They ain't going no back.
Guys, I came out to my top being ripped out. I'm trying to take off these like the heater.
Oh, like the things for the glass? Here comes the neighbors. Oh. Is it duct tape? Oh, it is.
Huh?
I was like, is it duct tape?
Alright, quick rundown of what's going on. So, basically I got, back here is the 3 panel pieces that you gotta take out. The middle one, there's like a little back piece right here. They use some push pins, push it in, and then you push it up. You kind of like pry it up and then pull it out. And then that middle piece in the center, it's a bigger piece. You just it's held on by these clips. Pull it out this way, and then once you pull it out, all of them, pull it back, come off easily. And then now the 2 side pieces. There's 2 side pieces on each side. There's a bolt right here, and right here. So you gotta remove these pieces. This piece right here is by a bolt. Gotta remove this back piece, the little vent piece, held on by the 2 clips. Take that off. Take off the other ones. Alright, so I'll take off the vent pieces. Then there's a screw at the bottom of this one. Take it off. Pull it back, remove it, and then take off the screws because they're pretty hidden in there. And then pull this piece out. And now for the other side, the wire for the heated glass, if you have heated glasses attached to it, you can just disconnect it. Other than that, it's pretty simple. So now I'm just gonna take off this like metal thing right here that goes with the fabric, because this is the rest of the fabric right here. It's like attached, and then I'll be putting it to the other one, and then I'll start to take off this stuff that's like the remaining pieces and shit, whatnot. But so far it's going good. I am feeling a little sprinkles, which is scary. Hopefully it doesn't start to pour. Everything's going smooth so far. I got it almost all clipped in. I put in the bolts on these 3 to get it holding in there, and then I put it in through the back side, the bolts. But I'm gonna get the metal plate that goes in front of it, that one over there, put it in, and then put the bolts that goes on, screw them in, and then start to bring this above, bring this string, bring this through, start to put everything back together. So it's going good so far, no problems. Quick update. So basically I got it on. I already kind of closed it and everything. It's kind of pain in the ass to put back on through with the spring and wire that goes through here. There's a spring and a wire that goes through here. Gotta get in through this hole, back connected, bolted onto where it was at. And then the bigger spring, it kind of connects this bar to right here, the frame, like the frame right around there. But now I'm trying to put this back together, put this trim, but I gotta get this, there's a piece in here that I gotta get connected. It's kind of tight. Other than that, after that, I'm just gonna put trim pieces back on and then be good to go. So, want to finish up real quick right now, so almost there. It's done. It is installed. It is on. It is complete. Oh yeah. Whew. Man, oh man, no more rips. No more rips. Rip the ripped top. Rip. Rip. 18-year-old top. There she goes. Or, yeah, whatever. 15-year-old. No. 17. Think? I don't know. Whatever. But there it is. Man. So now, to prevent from that happening, because it happens so pretty often, I'm gonna put some, like, you either could sand this down or you put something above the, like, railing, like an extra padding, I guess, and it'll prevent it from doing that again. Same with the like the latches, does that too. But I still need to put on one trim piece, but I was having trouble getting it to like sit in there, so I'm getting like the fabric to pull. It's kind of hard, so I'm gonna let it sit for at least a week or so, let it pull, let the sun do its thing and pull it and whatnot and stretch it out. And then once that's done, I'm gonna put those pieces in and we should be good. But other than that, there is some clips in the back pieces like that I gotta get new ones, because these ones are old and ugly and they're like breaking easily as I put them in. Other than that, it's done. There it is. I'm happy. No more rip top, which is cool. Oh, look who decided to show up. Finished up, no more holes. I'm excited. Cleaned it up. Let it sit for a while so the leather can get like stretched out or not. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.